This simple coin you're holding is struck with 160 tons of pressure. Every piece is individually scanned, and one tiny mistake can ruin everything. Watch till the end to see the real process. High in the heart of Switzerland, where precision is a way of life, something remarkable begins long before a single coin exists. In Bern, inside the historic Swiss Mint, raw metal quietly waits to be transformed into one of the most trusted coins in the world. The 5 franc piece may look simple, but its journey is anything but. Everything begins with long coils of copper and nickel, carefully combined into a strong alloy. This mixture, 75% copper and 25% nickel, gives the coin its strength, durability, and signature silver shine. The metal arrives in heavy strips, smooth and uniform, ready for the first decisive transformation. Machines hum to life as the coils are fed forward, guided with flawless precision. In a rapid motion, powerful presses punch perfect circular discs from the strip, creating what experts call planchets. Each one matches exact dimensions, measured to fractions of a millimeter, ensuring consistency from the very beginning. These blank discs may look ordinary, but they carry the potential of something iconic. After being cut, they are heated in a furnace, glowing as internal stresses are gently released. This softening process allows the metal to respond perfectly during striking. Once cooled, the discs are cleaned, polished, and prepared for the next step. Their edges are shaped in a special machine, forming a raised rim that protects the final design. By now, each planchet is no longer just metal, but a blank canvas waiting for identity. Carefully inspected, weighed, and measured, it moves forward toward the heart of the mint, where artistry meets engineering. Every Swiss coin carries a story, and for the 5 franc, that story begins with an artist's vision. The design, created in 1922, shows a strong alpine herdsman, symbolizing resilience and connection to the land. His portrait is first drawn on paper, capturing every fold, every shadow, every subtle detail. That drawing is then transformed into a digital model, where modern tools refine the shape into precise 3-dimensional form. From there, machines carve the design into steel, creating master dies that hold the coin's soul in hardened metal. These dies are incredibly durable, capable of striking hundreds of thousands of coins before needing replacement. Before they are used, they are treated, polished, and coated to ensure maximum lifespan and clarity. When everything is ready, the stage is set for the most dramatic moment in the process. Inside the coining hall, powerful presses operate with rhythmic intensity. Planchets drop into position, perfectly aligned between 2 engraved dies. In a fraction of a second, immense force is applied, shaping the metal into its final form. It is a moment of transformation, where pressure and precision combine to create something lasting. The design appears instantly, raised in crisp detail across both sides of the coin. The herdsman's face emerges with remarkable clarity, while the reverse reveals Switzerland's coat of arms, framed by delicate alpine flowers. Around the edge, an inscription forms, adding both beauty and security. Each coin leaves the press complete, its journey from blank disc to finished currency taking less than a second. Yet behind that instant lies decades of knowledge and refinement. As coins emerge, they shine with fresh brilliance, their surface is smooth and reflective. But perfection is never assumed. Every single piece must be carefully inspected. Advanced systems scan each coin at incredible speed, checking size, weight, and detail. High-resolution cameras compare every surface against exact standards, ensuring nothing is out of place. Even the smallest imperfection is detected instantly. If a flaw appears, the coin is removed automatically, never allowed to enter circulation. This strict process guarantees trust, something Switzerland values deeply. Most coins pass without issue, moving forward toward counting and packaging. Here, machines organize them into precise groups, stacking and rolling them into paper wrappers. Each roll holds a fixed number, creating uniform bundles ready for transport. The process is seamless, efficient, and almost hypnotic to watch. Robotic arms take over, lifting rolls and placing them into boxes, with flawless repetition. Every movement is calculated, every placement exact. Once filled, boxes are sealed and stacked onto pallets, forming organized towers of value. These pallets are then secured and prepared for delivery. At this stage, millions of francs sit quietly, waiting for their next journey. From the mint, they travel under strict security to the Swiss National Bank, the institution responsible for distribution. Here the coins are stored, sorted, and eventually sent out into the economy. Banks across the country receive their share, ensuring that businesses and individuals always have access to physical currency. From busy cities to quiet villages, these coins begin circulating, passing through countless hands. A simple purchase, a vending machine, a small transaction. Each moment adds to the coin's story. Over time, it becomes part of daily life, familiar and dependable. Its weight, its texture, even its sound, all contribute to recognition. For many, it is more than money. It is a symbol of stability, reflecting a country known for trust and consistency. The design remains largely unchanged, preserving tradition across generations. This continuity creates a sense of reliability that few currencies achieve. Even in a digital age, physical coins hold unique value. They connect people to something tangible, something real. The 5 franc coin, with its detailed craftsmanship, represents both history and progress. It reminds us that even everyday objects can be extraordinary when made with care. From its earliest stage as raw metal to its final role in commerce, every step is guided by precision. That precision is not accidental. It is the result of years of expertise, refined and improved over time. At Swissmint, quality is not just a goal, it is a promise upheld with every coin produced. And while machines play a vital role, human oversight remains essential. Skilled technicians monitor each stage, ensuring standards are consistently met. Their attention to detail reflects a broader cultural value, one that prioritizes excellence in even the smallest things. This mindset is part of what makes Swiss currency so respected worldwide. As coins move through circulation, they gradually show signs of use. Edges soften, surfaces dull, but the design remains clear. Eventually, worn coins are collected and replaced with new ones, continuing the cycle. This constant renewal keeps the currency system strong and reliable, ready for the future. When you hold a 5 franc coin, you are holding more than metal. You are holding a piece of Swiss identity, shaped by history and maintained by precision. It carries the legacy of craftsmanship, the discipline of engineering, and the quiet confidence of a nation that values trust above all. Every detail, from the raised rim to the engraved lettering, serves a purpose. Nothing is random, nothing is overlooked. This attention to detail ensures that each coin performs its role perfectly, whether in a transaction or a collection. It is a small object, yet it carries immense significance. In a world that often moves quickly, the creation of such a coin reminds us to appreciate precision and patience. It shows that quality cannot be rushed, and that true value comes from careful work. The 5 franc coin stands as a quiet example of this philosophy, blending tradition with modern technology. From the first cut of metal to the final exchange between people, It completes a journey that is both technical and
Here is
human.
your commemorative medallion,
And perhaps
sir.
that is what makes it so special.
It is quite exquisite.
It is not just made,
Here
it is
your change,
crafted
sir.
with
Thank you
intention,
for your purchase.
carrying meaning far beyond its size. So the next time you see a Swiss coin, take a moment to notice its details. The smooth surface, the sharp edges, the balanced weight, all reflect an extraordinary process.